Hey guys, this is Andy with RC Journeys and another video for you. Where every day with an RC is a journey. Here we got is the Rlaarlo Porsche. What is it, 9117? Something like that. Anyway, I know you guys seen all the unboxing. You don't have to see me, you just have to see the car. Sorry about my air conditioner, I'm outside. It'll go off soon. Here we go. They really wrapped this real good. I've been waiting a while for this. I know you guys have already seen it. So I guess we'll see it again. Since this is the hot item that's going on now on YouTube. Here we go. Sorry, it's the MK917. Alright, I gotta flip this over somehow. Get it out without trashing it. You can see how it looks on the camera. Oh yeah, you can see it. Very good. Very good. Alright. That's Russia's version. But it's not the carbon. So maybe next time I'll get the carbon. Well, I can always change it to the carbon. My little knife. Alright, let's unwrap this sticker here. We can get in. There we go. How does this open? Open it the wrong way. There we go. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, we can see it. Oh, we've got some extras here. You guys seen this before. Just the hook, Let's see what they send me. This one opens this way. Just want to see what kind of parts they send me. Yeah. Got the spur. And this is the upgrade. Some goodies. That's good. Stickers, of course. The book. Got a couple tools. And that's junk. Okay. Now get to the good stuff. We got the controller. You guys know what that looks like. So I'm probably going to put my own receiver and controller on there. So yeah. I might just try it out like it is. We'll see what happens. Oh, this thing's really stuck in here. It's like stuck to the box. I don't want to tear up the box. I don't know, guys. I don't know how this is on. We're going to have to tear up the box a little bit to get her out. Let's see. Tear. Come on. I don't want to tear up the box. I just tore that up somehow. Oh, I see what's going on. It's short enough to get through without getting a tire. Come on. There we go. Alright, make sure it come out now. Boom. Say hello to my little Rlaarlo. There, that's all. Cool. Alright guys, there she is. And it is, I don't know, I guess I'm used to the 114 scale. It's so small. This is kind of big. It's kind of big. It's the 110 scale, but it just looks huge, maybe because of the body. I don't know. Still got some more plastic here, but it's all cool. Let's open her up. Boom. There we go. There you go, guys. You got the it's got the battery already in there. As you know, it's got a 2-cell. I'm gonna have to upgrade that. Pull these out. Alright, let's see. At the bottom, they didn't put my name on it because I didn't put my I ordered the car before I sent the thing to put the etching on there, but that's okay. Tear it up the dirt. It's kind of cool. There's a little Rlaarlo symbol. It's kind of cool though. So this is the aluminum body, of course. Got some weight to it. Cool. Anyway, there we go. And we got a spare tire, aluminum top braces. Of course, these the gearing here, they're 8th scale, so they're huge. They're like super. Look how big that is. I don't know if you can see that. You see how big those are? They're huge. Alright. And she looks pretty straight, sort of, kinda. These are, I don't know, this one's pointed more that way than this way, so I'll have to fix that, put it in. But of course we got the, I'm sure this is the 80 amp, because the carbon comes with that. But that's no problem, because check this out. Bam! I got the Hobby Wing 120 SR8 RTR. So if I can fit this in here, maybe. It might be some money. I don't know. We'll see. We'll test it out first with this one first, and if that if I don't like that, I will change to this one. But you know, guys, these RTRs are huge because they're 8th scale. But I do believe this is only 4-cell. Yeah. Yep, 2 to 4 cell. That's it. Anyway, so I got that. You guys gonna know I got my Fly Sky receiver, so I will probably be changing the receiver. Yeah, here's the antenna. They got all tied up, and it's kind of crazy because they got it tied up with tie straps. So I'm gonna have to be very careful to get these tie straps off, so I don't cut the wire. But it's okay. And what motor it is, oh, I can't see it. I'm blind. Can't see very well. I'm not sure what motor that is. It's the, can't see. It's hard. Anyway, this has got the aluminum drive shaft, top brace. Pretty cool. But yeah, guys. So we finally got it. Yeah, this one has the headlights. I guess I ripped it off. I gotta find out where it goes in here, but we'll see where those go. Don't know if I might take them off, leave them on. I guess we'll check it out. Anyway, for the next time, I'll have this charged up and ready to go. And we'll see what she does. They're saying this one only goes 124 kilometers. Which I don't know, I think that's 80 miles an hour maybe, for all you RC guys out there. But we'll see, and we'll check it out. But all in all, dude, for 190, I paid 199, 215, yes, 215, I gave a $5 tip, so 220, boom. You got a brushless, ready to run RC car. And I know the price is going up. I think they, I'm not sure when they're going to do that, if they've already done that, but I have a link where, I'll leave a link in the description on the bottom, where you guys can get a discount. So maybe you guys will save some money for all you guys that haven't gotten it yet. But yeah, there she is. She's ready to go. So thank you. It's been and oh, before I forget, I still have the Frankenstein. Oh, look at the difference. This is a 1.2 scale. Check it out. Look how big the 1/10 scale is compared to the 110. Is that crazy? How big that is. Anyway, I'm still working on Frankenstein. I'm having battery issues. They get eaten up too fast, or they die too fast, so I'm not gonna have much run time, so the car has to be ready. The batteries are charged, everything ready to go, and just do the speed run and get it over with. I'm trying to get this to where it goes straight, but I'm still working on it, guys. There's the Frankenstein, okay? And this is the F18 Frankenstein. I got this body for it, which is the fat bodies. I did try to put this body on there, but I don't know, I think I cut it wrong, or just not working out right, but we'll see. Anyway, I can still do a speed run with just this one. So anyway, guys, it's been another video from RC Journeys. I hope you liked it, and the next time we'll be running both these cars. Alright, guys? Alright, every day's a journey with RC. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Love you guys. See you later.